In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display more precise financial values in Xero profit and loss reports using decimal formatting. If your profit and loss report is rounding to whole dollars, you might be missing the small differences that matter when margins are tight, when you're reconciling fees, or when you want a cleaner audit trail. Let's turn on decimals so you can see exact amounts and make better informed decisions. Start by logging into your Xero account. Once you're in, head to the main menu and click Reporting. This takes you to Xero's reporting hub, where all the key financial reports live. From here, select Profit and Loss. Xero will open the standard profit and loss report for the current period and tracking settings you already have in place. At the top of the report, look for the More option. Click it to open additional report settings. This is where Xero keeps extra display controls that aren't immediately visible on the main screen. In the panel that opens, scroll until you find the Show section. This section controls how values appear on the report. Enable decimals. Depending on your version, this may be a toggle or a checkbox labeled to show decimals or cents. Turning this on tells Xero to display amounts with decimal places rather than rounding to whole dollars. Now review the updated financial values on your profit and loss. You should see cents displayed next to each amount. Scan through your income and expense lines to confirm that everything is appearing with the added precision. This extra detail is especially helpful for categories like merchant fees, bank charges, subscriptions, and any cost accounts where small variations add up over time. Next, compare the detailed income and expense amounts. Notice where rounding previously hid variances, perhaps a product line with slim margins, or a cost center where a few cents per transaction make a meaningful difference across many entries. With decimals visible, you can more confidently reconcile totals to statements, validate tax calculations, and spot trends that whole dollar rounding might blur. Use this more precise financial data to analyze performance. Look for patterns in gross profit. Check whether discounts or fees are eroding margins, and confirm that allocations to accounts reflect the exact amounts you expect. Precision supports better budgeting, pricing decisions, and period-over-period comparisons. When you're satisfied with the display, click Update to refresh the report and apply your changes. That's it. Your profit and loss now shows decimal values, giving you a clearer, more accurate view of your numbers.